everyone. Thank you for taking the time to participate in today's discussion. We are conducting this focus group discussion as a part of product development study for Grip and Loop, an innovative reusable cup sleeve designed to provide a safer, more comfortable, and environmentally friendly way to carry beverages. There are no right or wrong answers. We simply want to hear your honest opinions and experiences. Everything shared today will remain confidential and will only used for academic research. With your permission, this discussion will be recorded solely for documentation purposes. So before we start, I want to ask your first name or nickname and your occupation.
Hello, I'm Glenn. I'm a student.
I'm Kylie, I'm a student too.
I'm Gianna and I'm a student.
I'm Sean, student.
I'm Carl, student.
I'm a student.
Ryan, student.
Aaron, student.
So thank you for introducing yourself. So I just want to discuss the Grip and Loop is an adjustable, reusable cup sleeve made with vegan leather and natural rubber. It is designed to provide a better grip, protect hands from hot or cold beverages, reduce spills, and replace disposable cup sleeves. So there are a few questions that I'm going to ask. First question is, how often do you purchase takeaways beverages such as coffee, milk tea, juice, or soft drinks?
Every day.
Once a month.
Once a week.
Once a week.
Once a week.
Twice a week.
Once a week.
So where do you usually consume this drink?
Wherever I am.
At home. At home.
Usually sa school.
Dine in.
School.
Schools and malls.
Sa school.
So, have you ever experienced difficulties while carrying your beverages like slippery cups, condensation, or that?
No.
Yes, it's too hot sometimes.
No.
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 Yes, sometimes it's too hot or the condensation makes it slippery.
Sometimes.
So, what do you usually do to avoid spills or slippery cups? Do you usually hold carefully, use tissues, or any opinions?
I use tissues.
Issues.
Tissues din.
Sa Starbucks may ano sila to, binibigay na cartons or yung ginagamit.
Tissue. Tissue.
Minsan yung sleeve or yung I ask for napkin.
Issue.
Tissue.
So, how satisfied are you with disposable sleeves provided by coffee or milk tea shops?
Pwede na.
Ang problema is that sometimes it's not sustainable. So, it ends up parang itatapon mo lang after a long time na hindi mo nilapon.
Okay naman. Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Satisfied. Satisfied.
Oh, I'm very satisfied.
Satisfied.
Comfort.
Encountered with disposable cup sleeves.
Napupunit.
Napupunit din.
Madalas na napupunit ang sisira.
Napupunit. Napupunit.
Napupunit.
Napupunit.
So, for our product evaluation, can you ask your first impression for Grip and Loop? So, here's our product. Explain the appearance, material, quality, and how it looks.
Yung quality, okay lang. Siguro, dagdagan pa ng kapal. Tapos, sa first look siguro, mukha siyang dog collar. Tapos, ayun. Siguro, may mga loose stitches, ganun. Pero, possible naman siyang ma-improve. Then, yun lang.
Thank you. Next, Kylie.
Parang, it's hard to say kung ano muna siya. Parang complex siya tingnan. Kasi, people don't exactly know what a cup sleeve is. Pero once they figure out, maybe it's possible for it to be useful. Yung material naman, I think it's good. It looks durable enough. There are some problems with the stitching. Parang mukha siyang ano dito. Mukhang hindi maayos yung pag-stitch. And the quality, it looks fine, pero mukhang kailangan yung ayusin yung paggawa nito. And the professional look, it looks good. It looks professional. Thank you. Next.
So, sa appearance, okay naman. Maganda yung ginamit na color scheme. As for the material, siguro medyo kapalan lang kasi medyo nalinipisan ako. Pero maganda yung leather. For the quality naman, siguro improve lang yung stitches. Since yung iba parang hindi consistent yung pagkakagawa. But yung overall na professional look niya, okay naman.
Next.
Appearance-wise, maganda siya. Parang elegant nga yung ibang color na pinaka-cater binigay. Then sa material naman, feel ko dapat talaga ito ng rubber. So yun, okay naman. And then for this one, sana i-fix din na may tahi din dito. Para feel ko lang mas secure siya pagkat.
Hindi, yan kasi yung nadyasan niya.
Sige, sige. Okay. Yun lang naman. Overall, okay naman siya.
The product is good and the material siguro is kailangan ng kapalan yung leather. And the color scheme naman is maganda siya. Elegant tignan. And improvement lang is yung stitches niya. Kailangan lang i-use. And then kapalan lang talaga yung leather. And overall maganda. Complete.
For me, looks like it's well made by a professional and maganda siya tingnan. Although ang concern ko lang din is yung stitching, medyo pumuputok na, and then yung buttons medyo nasisira siya pag napuwersa. Overall, it's good but may konting room for improvement.
Ako, yung appearance niya, okay din naman. Maganda yung design. Material, manipis lang siya. Pero feeling ko may improve naman yun. Quality, yung stitching din, ayusin lang siguro yung quality. Pero overall, okay naman.
So, sa appearance, first, yung color, may tatlong kasing variation din niya. So, from what I've seen, maganda naman color combination niya. Yung structure niya, maganda din naman. For the material itself, from what they were saying like earlier, it's to diba? It's to avoid getting the person to touch hot things, mga ganun. I think from the thinness kasi ng material, mararamdaman pa din ng tao yung init pag hot drink yung niya. Yung din kasi yung inside ng material is pag nabasa siya, pwede siyang maging moldy. So, yun yung concern ko pag cold drink naman. In terms of quality, ayun din, okay naman siya, but there's room for improvement, especially with the stitches itself. Professional look, there's still room for improvement ng pagka-professional look niya. Kasi, I don't think it can, yun lang, sabi ko, there's still improvement about it.
So next, what features immediately caught your attention for our product?
Features, the adjustable strap. I feel like it could be longer kasi parang it's limited yung yung pagkaka-adjust niya. I feel like it could be longer. I do like the idea of a faded leather. That's interesting din na nakakita.
Yung anti-slip grip, saka yung modern appearance niya. Kasi tawag dito, parang yung anti-slip grip kasi, parang ang ganda niyang function para sa cup holder. Kasi hindi ka dulas, ganyan. Tapos yung modern appearance niya, parang nakuha niya attention ko kasi mukha talaga siyang dog collar. Legit lang. Kasi parang hindi siya yung pang-cup tignan. Kumbaga parang iba yung naging purpose na. Gaya nga nasabi ni Guy, parang ang complex na tignan yung design. So, yun nakakuha ng attention.
Sa akin, same din yung sizes ng cups. And yung comfortable grip niya since yun nga, mas ma-avoid yung pag-slide ng cups.
What features yung maganda there? So yung para sa akin nakita ko siya nung una. Maganda yung color combination. Then suggestion lang dun sa sinasabi ng first na si Glenn. Para may iwasan yung ganong comment ng contour color. Medyo laparan pa. Especially para dun sa mga kamay na malaki. Laparan pa yung leather. So yun.
Yung contention was yung anti-slip group. Since ngayon pa lang to sa makita. And also, maganda yung quality niya.
Yung feature is, first one na yung reusability. Then, second is yung adjustable size.
Ako naman, yung adjustable din and yung color combination.
Ayun din, yung adjustable na tsaka yung reusability. Especially, din, yung pagka-modern appearance niya kasi medyo standardized yung mga coffee holder ngayon, drink holder pala I mean. Pero this one gives another look into that type of product.
So next question, do you think this product solved the problems you experienced with takeaway drinks? Why or why not?
Pwede. Kasi may mga tao kasing nagre-reklamo na yun yung sleeves nila is dumudulas yun. So, possible nga siya na yung product na to, masolve yung problem na yun. So, yun.
I see the potential, especially with people na gumagamit, bumibili ng drinks a lot of the time. I feel like something like this, they would really prefer to have. It's an investment.
Yun din, feel ko naman may potential siya since may mga ibang restaurants na wala pang pinaprovide na parang partner sa Starbucks. So ito, pwede siya.
Yan din, parang malaki yung potential niya malaki yung potential sa market since yun nga, sa country natin, parang sikat nga ngayon mga beverages. So, malaki yung market.
Yes, also. Kasi nakakatulong to sa mga coffee lovers.
Yes, kasi first is eco-friendly, so save the earth. Next is yung sleeves minsan masyado manipis or minsan walang sleeve na binibigay at all. So, mahirap hawakan yung mga, especially mga hot drinks.
Ako siguro, maybe lang. Since masasolve niya yung problem, pero feeling ko tatamarin lang ako talaga siya outside.
Personally, I don't think so since rarely lang naman ako nagte-takeaway drinks. Mostly dining ako. So, maybe hindi ako directly affected.
So which features do you think is the most valuable?
Yung pagiging adjustable. Kasi mas madali siyang makapag-fit sa mga cups, kumbaga. Tapos, yung anti-slip grip kasi talaga yung dito, pros niya ito. Kumbaga, yung pinaka-main function niya. So, yun.
Sa akin din is yung adjustable. Because like, parang it's not just for one cup na bibilhin mo. It could be for any cup na meron ka. It's really useful.
Ako din sa adjustable size niya since yun nga, pwede siyang for all sizes ng cup.
Same din, yung adjustability tsaka yung yung durability. Kasi yun nga, since gumagamit kami ng tissue tas yung cartons, madali siyang ma-dissolve sa mga sira. Unlike dun sa product.
Adjustable size and then yung comfortable grip niya. Since maraming iba-iba size ng cup sa mga coffee din.
For me, it's yung adjustable size din and yung, I think yung temperature protection.
Ako naman yung adjustable size din and yung comfortable.
Siguro sa akin yung adjustable din and then yung eco-friendliness niya.
So, which feature do you think needs improvement?
Siguro yung design, saka yung materials, then ease of adjustment na din. Kasi nung tinetesting ko siya kanina, mahirap tanggalin yung mga buttons. Kumbaga, hindi siya yung snap-on na na normal. So, ayun. Tapos, sa design naman, siguro, pwede na lang alisin yung design na parang buckle, gano'n, or yung parang button type. Tapos gawin nilang, design na lang mismo yung magkakabit ng dalawa. Tapos lagyan nila ng garter. Ganun.
I feel the same about yung buttons. I feel like the buttons is masyadong mahirap. Tapos, it could, sa future, pag ginamit mo ng ginamit, it's possible na mahila yung buttons matanggal. So, it can be rendered useless.
I agree din sa button since yun nga may tendency na madali siyang matanggal lalo if araw-araw mo siya gagamitin.
Same, yung buttons din. Tapos yun yan, na parang lang yung leather. Yun naman.
Same. Buttons din, and then yung leather pa pala.
Same din yung buttons. Minsan sobrang hirap tanggalin, minsan sakto lang. And yung leather.
Ako yung leather din kasi parang masyado siyang manipis, tsaka yung buttons.
Ayun din, yung leather materials. Actually, may concern ako. Kasi na-mention sa product description kanina, dapat may rubber siya. So doon ako medyo nakulangan. Nasaan si rubber? And then yung buttons na, yung ibang prototype, medyo nahirapan akong i-unbuckle yung button niya. So doon needs improvement kung pwedeng palitan siya.
Would you feel comfortable carrying this product?
Yeah, probably yes. Kasi hand carry naman siya. Tapos, kasya naman siya sa mga normal size na bags. Siyempre, huwag ka lang mag-adler na medyo maliit or mas maliit dun sa may pinaka-product itself. Pero yeah, it's comfortable.
Yes, especially if like, may marami kang iinumin, I think it could be important for you.
Yes, then since yung lightweight siya and very convenient, yung dadalhin mo siya.
Yes. Since magaan lang siya, and then that's ang dami pwede.
Ayun, okay siya since wala siyang matiklop. So hindi siya ganun sa hassle, galit.
Yes, kasi siya eh, yung clasp sa buttons, pwede mong tanggalin and then pwede siyang ma-fold. So, yes.
Yes din.
Yes, kasi naman, yun nga, I'd like to compliment yung color scheme ulit na ginagamit. It's very stylish naman, and I think it gives personality din sa drinks since very din naman yun, on trend ngayon.
So, next question. How important is sustainability when purchasing everyday's product?
Yun na lang natin ba yan? 8 out of 10 siguro.
10 out of 10.
And ako.
8 out of
9 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Would using reusable cups sleeves encourage you to reduce disposable waste? Why?
Yes, kasi hindi na tayo gumagamit ng mga carton or yung mga craft sleeves mo. Tapos mga tissue din, nababawasan na natin.
Yes, you wouldn't have to use like mga itatapon na cups or mga tissues.
Yun din, para ma-lessen din yung waste.
Save. Yes, to save environment.
Yes, same din.
Yes, safe material.
Yeah, same din.
Would knowing that the product is made with vegan leather and natural rubber influence your purchase decision?
Yes.
Yes.
As long as it is functional.
Yes, functionable.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, also.
If this product were available today, would you consider buying it? Why or why not?
Yes. Feel ko kasi may potential naman siya sa market. Tapos, if ever man magkaroon ng problem din, feel ko magiging accountable naman sila. Or like, magkakaroon naman ng mga innovative adjustments yun.
Yes, I think that in the future, pwede pang magamit. It's an investment.
Same, yes, since ayun nga, may potential siya. So,
Yes, very functionable siya.
Yes, also.
Yes, same.
Ako, no, siguro.
Yes, siguro. Yes.
Who do you think would benefit the most from this product?
Feel ko yung mga enthusiasts, lalo na sa mga, in terms of coffee, ganun, like, coffee, yung mga mahilig magdala ng mga water bottles and etc.
I feel like it's people na mahilig sa coffee. So, it's best na mag-partner sila with cafes para kayo.
same sa mga taong coffee lover and mga students din dadalhan kami.
Same. Coffee enthusiast and office worker.
I think yung eco-conscious na people and yung mga mahilig sa drinks.
Ako rin yun. Tsaka yung mga, may gusto ng mga cute siguro na color combination.
Ako din, yung coffee lovers, eco-conscious, saka yung mga siguro yung professionals na.
Where would you expect to buy this product?
In-expect ko na magkakaroon sila ng brick and mortar or yung physical store. Pero as of now, hoping na maging available na siya online. So,
It's the most accessible online, pero when realistically speaking, it's not something na hinahanap mo siya in general. So, I think it will be best na parang bibili ka ng coffee and then makikita mo, oy, may cup sleeve that could be useful. So, somewhere in the coffee shop na pwede yung isama siya.
Same for now, siguro online and then eventually pwedeng sa mall.
Same, online. Same, online.
Online din.
Sa stores, sa mga market.
I think sa mga stall din, sa mga bazaar din.
What price would you consider reasonable for this product?
mga ranging 250 to 300.
Probably 150.
250.
150 to 50.
Siguro max ko na is 250.
Ako din, 150.
Would discounts or bundle promotions with coffee or milk tea purchases encourage you to buy it?
Kapag kasama yung mismong product sa mga purchases, like may minimum target na required nyo, tapos freebie na lang si product. Sige.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
What do you think about the brand name Drip and Loop?
Okay lang. Parang meron pang pwedeng ibang ipangalan, pero sige, pwede na yan.
You can't tell that it's a cup sleeve out of the name.
Same, hindi mo siya agad ma-recognize kung yun.
Same. Same, yes.
Same.
Again, just
Same din.
What colors, packaging, or branding would make you more interested in purchasing the product?
Rainbow.
Pink, kasi girl.
Neutral.
Black. Black and brown.
Dark color.
Tapos siguro yung patulad sa mismong products.
I think something colorful din, tulad ng product itself.
If you saw Drip and Loop on social media, what type of content would convince you to buy it?
Yung siguro yung pinapatunayan niya na hindi siya dumudalas.
Same. Same.
Same. Same.
Yung content na papakita yung features niya.
Yung dinedemo kung paano siya.
Ayun din, yung demo din.
If you could change one thing about Grip and Look, what would it be?
Sub-adjustment niya. Sa yung main design.
Yung bottom, I feel like it would be.
Same sa bottom.
Dapat yung LED. Dapat din bottom.
Yung dami ng adjustable na sizes.
Leather.
Yung bottom.
What do you like most about the product?
Yung functionality niya na hindi dudulas.
Just
Adjustability.
Adjustable.
Adjustable and di
Adjustable and eco-friendly.
Adjustable.
Yung adjustable.
Last question. Would you recommend this product to your friends or family? Why or why not?
Yes, pag may discount ako. Pero kapag wala, hindi.
if bundled pricing is like involved, I feel like it's possible.
Same.
Yes, very functional.
Yes, for my parents, it's popular.
Yes.
Yes, then.
Yes.
Thank you for your time and valuable insights. Your feedback will help improve your and support our